Manso Attention TV. And now you will be a trend on social media far in your bema a Twene Jonas. Now will be a can be a trendy pa. Papa be a cobon and puning pu a shiano. A trend say, one no bet me about America for junkie for pa. Martin say, take one more kuno. Na ye nua bema eye Kevin Taylor ete asem na ne yemo ahihye kakra wono so abetena se e de na dwenche kakra ba se papa ne nni ho kwan se ohia eye Twene edma ne sa threat no e wo se Twene Jonas emma aposifo nsa ehso sa papa no because papa no tunu so senia o to share eye Jonas so straight o kaka nsama want to se bia na se wan bo hu bia ka ne straight se me memo wa kun na se papa no ni timu yesuma na so onya bone bia obedi eye Jonas nti Jonas ewo kwan bia wo so de papa ifa so a ewo se wo de ne fa on de ma America police for no money ni di ewo sa threat west na we use so ma no ewo montin so we Kevin Taylor and so na dwenchira o de bae maintain Kevin kakramra.
So I've always maintained to say emra ewo so obi atena ase, and we all have to respect rules, especially BBT. Now there's this video of a young man approaching Twene Jonas, and it's not a young man, an old man. And today in our editorial meeting, it came up. And the reason why it came up, and I said, normally we don't discuss stuff like that. But where the utterances of the old man shows to say, such people are not supposed to be living among Americans. And you see, when you do politics with emotions, when you do politics with tribe, what happens? And then they say, it gets to a point whereby you lose your senses. You don't become intelligent again. So I saw a video, and myself and my team, we watched. It was Twene Jonas, and if so, I have no problems with him. There's been a time cry. I think he has thrown shit at me. I did not respond because Obia is entitled to their opinion. I think once I have spoken about Twene Jonas before, and it was some joke I made. I have seen a video of Twene Jonas and any man be confronting, and this man is 65 years, a Ghanaian in America. Now, the reason I'm doing this is the moment it binds all of us. It does not matter your age. It does not matter your tribe. It does not matter the political party you are affiliated in Ghana. When you live on this soil, you are a Ghanaian. You have to abide by the rules here. So, because memeti krumhana, tomorrow I don't know who I'm going to meet. Which person is going to confront me, when I see anybody do things any right in this country, I will have to react because tomorrow might be me. Tomorrow it might be my daughter. So what we do here, as much as we are trying to check the system, we are also trying to protect the system. And that is what America is made out of. America is all about protecting the system. Because the more you protect the system, the more you are protected. So over who say obi attack obi baby. Na sa waka say we dey nipa nan kwa se mitwema. Ebia nipa nan kasa ya attacking and emfa no ho. Ebia nipa nan ya attacking no ohun ni say normal. But because I don't want that person or attacking we are or they be coming near vicinity, I need to call the cops on you. So me beto say obi threaten obi. Na waka just mebo tuo. Na se mitwema. Ebia nipa nan ya se mebo tuo no on there or you protected on him how he can defend himself. But my problem should be, so when to me amboni pani tua, or tam tuona, or beba me so, and or beba me reso, and or beba me baso. So I have to take a decision. That person will be taken off the streets of America. Send beya, my life, my family's life, my friends, their lives will be protected. Now I'm going to show you a video of a man who basically approached Twene Jonas, and a 65-year-old man, Ghanaian. And the kind of words if you mobile, so we are going to take action. Also, a taxi driver in New York City. I go to New York City a lot. I pick a lot of taxis. And I don't want to end up in a taxi. Somebody who openly on camera says, "Obe to me, Abba pa am you kubi." It is a dangerous statement, and we will take it up. With all due respect, Twene Jonas can decide not to act. It is his own decision, and I don't have a problem with him. But as I live in America, people like that are not supposed to be on the streets, especially people like that who drive taxis. Dangerous. So we have taken it upon ourselves to reach out to the taxi union of this New York. We are going to write official statement for this man to be taken off taxi, he should not be able to drive taxi, and some rules are supposed to apply. That's what I'm saying, say. Twene Jonas is a different individual. He can decide to take action or decide not to take action. That one, it is decision. But as far as I live in America, I will make sure that this old man who is 65 years, a Ghanaian living in America. Now let's listen to this man and the words that came out of his mouth. Also a taxi driver. So we are taking it upon ourselves for people like that to be taken off the streets. Taxi no or say a unified taxi. Sir, in summer or can we have to make sure such a person is not walking on the streets of New York. I've lived in New York before for about 7 years, and I know what I'm talking about. Even in America, and with all due respect, I am not going to defend Twene Jonas on his statement or his remarks. No, because nobody should defend me on my statement or my remarks. Twene Jonas, he knows what he's doing. He's not a kid. He lives in America. He pays his own bills. He takes care of his own business. His remarks are his remarks. He has the right to defend his remarks. You get what I mean? I'm not going to sit here and defend Twene Jonas what he has to say or what he doesn't have to say. He's a grown-ass man. He knows his decisions. Now, for this man to make it look like, say, one or no, because you see, you might think the statement he made, a vague statement. It is not. Say, met my bopa $500. Emma ubi eteki life. Na mean that statement, you can go to court. You have to defend yourself. Now, my issue now is for a 65-year-old man, or a Ghanaian. Say our problem with Twene Jonas words are here. That is his own problem. But to go further to say you a cab driver, uchi taxi. Now over to my bopa $500. That means that the probability so you be paying high. Listen to me. Say utumika say ubetuma bopa $500 Twene Jonas atwachnia. Now it means say the probability of you why be done it is high. So it is not you justifying it because say but if he's using words you don't like, it is your problem. In America, Krampona Yetihano, you see people go after presidents, harsh words. People go after senators. People go after congressmen. Nobody has been able to stand on the streets of New York as a taxi driver to say, I can put $500 on your head for you to be taken care of, but I will not do it. That statement is a threat, and it's a threat to any person who sits in this man's taxi. Because it can be said one day, he will end up exchanging words with somebody in his taxi, and then he will make sure that that person is killed. The statement he made was against me, but as somebody who lives here, I think this old man who is 65 years does not deserve to be driving cab. Now, Sanka bo bra papa bi wo wiase na wote a. So obetin America no say enye bra na ediebu ebu abowa. Enye enkwasi bra na obebo ya 65 years uchi taxi wa America.
So now who is right? Says here Jonas ne be right and I say Kevin and I say papa I will share a Jonas or threatening. As I saw do comment about attention to be camera. Me da say so train macra.